guys, it's Mia, and today we are playing Airplane Story. I'm pretty sure that's the name. Yeah. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new Roblox video like this one on screen. I already got in the plane, and I'm already scared because I know these stories are like kind of dangerous and like scary. Okay, so my ticket is J7, so I got the window seat on the left wing. Is this the left wing? Yeah, it is the left wing. Okay, who else got near me? Please tell me no one else. Like, look how cute the plane is. Look, it is amazing. Oh, woo. Okay, so what? Okay, it's a captain. It's a boy, so I gotta get the boy.
Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 7364. I repeat, we are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination.
Okay.
Feel free to explore the airplane.
I am pretty sure my friends say aeroplane. It's airplane. Okay, I gotta get used to that. Like, I also wanted to see where the restroom is. You know, restroom. Also, like, where is everything? So, I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Okay.
Now please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Okay, that is just.
I'm pretty sure the restroom stuff are over there because, yeah, just wanted to know. My cousin Rose, she's sitting right near me, and she's like, "Are you scared?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I am." I can't believe I'm like scared always. Okay, so.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Okay. Let me quickly find where the restroom is. Oh, this is the restroom. Okay, these are the restroom. So I'm pretty close to the restroom.
Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody.
Okay. His voice is kind of easy to me, but I'm not sure. The girls. Hello everybody. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Ooh, enjoy. No, it has mayo. I'm scared. I don't want. Oh, I got sandwich. Look how the sandwich looks. People say those Tinder legs are. Oh my! I don't even want to eat that. Okay, let's just eat it. Okay, I'm fine. Oh, Talton.
I'm not feeling very well.
Oh no. Wait, this sandwich has mayo. Seriously. Okay, where is everything? Oh, I found it. Okay, it's found here. It's right here. It's right here. I found it. It was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Phew, that was a close one. It was TLRTON 74.
Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride.
Okay, my voice changed. I'm not using a voice changer. I'm using my own voice, like some.
Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go.
Nom, 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 nom. Oh. That scared me in real life. Oh no.
Oh, it appears that we have lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it.
Okay. I'm scared. I'm just gonna sit down, I guess. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Oh no. Who's that mysterious person? I didn't see the pass. Oh, is that it? Oh, that is it. That guy. Look at my mouse pointer. That guy.
You will not survive.
Oh my god. Are those snakes? Oh my god. I'm scared of snakes in real life. And there's snakes in this game. And they're all getting stuck there. Okay. I'm scared of snakes. I'm so scared of the snakes. Guys, there's an open restroom. Okay. Oh no, that's this pooping toilet. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Okay, thank God I found the restroom. Easy? What do you mean by easy? Like, it ain't easy. Like, geez, some people are all taking damage. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. I was like, oh, can I say that? Yeah, I think I can. I'm pretty sure. Because I say Tower of Heck. Yeah, okay. Oh, he said, I know what happened. Okay, what are people saying? Health, your health. Oh no. That's not me. What? Okay, that was scary. What is next? Also, guys, check my Instagram out. I've been very, very silent there. I was gonna say I was very being active. I'm not being active. I'm very, very silent. Power is back up. And those snakes are gone. Thank God. I've been trying to post, but my phone ain't posting it, so I was like... Also, I've not done a face reveal, so... I just also want to say, if one of my video hits 100 views, any of them, I'll do a face reveal. Yo, Tush's Pastor, I have good news and bad news. Oh no, bad news. The good news is the power is back up. Okay, that we all know. The bad news is that we are losing significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mask will drop from your seats. Take one quickly. Okay. How do I take one? Okay, I took one. Yes! That was kind of... Oh, this looks like the... That does not look like oxygen mask, but sure. The mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Sure. Oh no. What? W-A-T? W-H-A-T? Oh no. O-M-G. What is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. Ah, baby! What are we going to do? I might die. I don't have... Okay, everyone. Calm down. Calm yourself down, guys. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save myself. Yeah, that's my that's my account. Let's go. I found a pair of scissors. Okay, sure. Which cable should I cut? I'll cut the blue cable. You sure it is blue? Oh no. Oh my god, that was so scary. Like, it's saying, we did it. Oh my god, I did it. I saved. That was scary. I can't post an image. What the flip? She's making lives. Okay, we haven't heard of the crew in a while. Yeah, that is true. I found them. They're on. Okay, where are they? Oh no, Captain. I was on my phone. Sorry about that, but yes, I was on the phone. It is locked. Huh. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. Okay. I think I know. Where's the code? Why is the screen black? This video is gonna be long. It's the creature. What? You will pay for what you have done? What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh no, there he is. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. Oh my god. Do it immediately. I brought you here. This is not possible. It is. And now, it is time to die. Oh no. What to do, what to do, what to do. See you in the afterlife. Sure. Sure. Okay. Captain. Oh no, we are in danger. The captain is unconscious? The plane is falling? Oh no. What are we going to do? I'm not a perfect pilot. Okay, leave me alone. I'll take the other seat. We are going to need to find an autopilot button. Oh my god. Can we like spam everything? So like you'll find a button. Click everything and find it. Yes, I'm finding it. 60 seconds. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh, he found it. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so scary. So much scary. Okay, it has been a very crazy flight. I just wanted to be home already. Yeah, same. Same, Rishi. What can I do? How many people are here? Well, not a lot. What are these guys over here? Now, we all need to do is find the emergency fan. Oh, they already found it. Hello, we need help. Our captain is unconscious. Okay? Don't worry, we'll get you home in no time. Oh. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. Who will fly the plane? Autopilot mode is on. I'm scared. Okay, we have traced your location and we are taking control. These guys are unconscious right here. Keep the plane on track. I'm not gonna sit on the co-pilot seat, but I'll just go there if you want me to. Is being a co-pilot fun? Okay, well, it's alright. I don't really care, but okay, everyone, I got this. Okay, you don't got this. I see you're not getting this. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no. It is back. Yes, it is back. Mwahahaha. Okay. I'm scaring myself at this point. Last chance. That's passing. Crash this plane or we rule the underwater for... I don't know. Foolish humans. And he was always on, and she was always on my side. Now, take us home. I guess that's fun. I got a badge. It says victory. Yeah, that's what I also want to say. I'm confused.com, but I hope you guys like this video. Oh my god, that was scary, not gonna lie. Make sure I had so much fun watching. I had so much fun making this video. Make sure what? I can't do my outro because I'm so scared. I had so much fun making this video. I hope you guys had so much fun watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, berries. I hope you guys are having a nice day or afternoon or wherever you guys are around the world. Love you. Bye.